In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between methods and functions in JavaScript. As we progress, you might notice that I sometimes use the terms interchangeably, but it's important to understand the key distinctions between the two concepts. First, let's refresh our memory on what functions are in JavaScript. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. We can define a function and then call it later in our code whenever we need it. This is an example of a simple function. Function greet, and then console log hello world. And then to call the function, we just do greet. Run the program, and you will see hello world printed to the console. Now let's talk about methods. A method is a function that is associated with an object. In JavaScript, objects can have properties and methods. Properties store data, while methods perform actions using the object's data. Here's an example of an object with a method. So let's delete this and declare an object called person. It has a first name, Alice, a last name, Smith, a full name, which is a function that returns this.first name concatenated with this.last name. Let me do a quick fix. So this.last name. Okay, and then console log person.full name. Run the program again, and you will see Alice Smith. So in this example, we created an object called person with properties like first name, last name, and a method called full name. The full name method returns the person full name by concatenating the first name and last name properties of that specific object. So what's the difference between methods and functions? The key difference is that methods are associated with objects and use the object's data, while functions are not directly associated with any specific object. In other words, methods belong to objects while functions stand alone. It's worth noting that in JavaScript, methods are also functions. They are functions that are defined as object properties.